on is she recognizes certain words. So if you casually mention a word like the word tree in a sentence, then you can't make eye contact with her, otherwise she'll expect something.
Callie, who's that?
You almost had it. Please put it back on. I will laugh so hard. He did it! He did it! He just put the cone back on!
All right, son, I'm leaving. Give me a high five. All right, see ya.
Are you... Yo, wake up. Bean. Oh, Jesus, you actually scared me. I'm sorry.
Don't fucking mark at me.
Hey, Fatty, look. Whee! One more. Fatty. Whee! Good. Oh, you caught that!
What are you doing? Oh.
Yes! Give me a dick! Yeah! Yes! Yeah!
You're trying to tell me there's people that can look at a face like that and still not like cats? What kind of psychopathic, narcissistic, red flag having pieces of...
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Do you see a bird? You see a birdie?
Okay, here I go. Let me just adjust my step. Now jump. What are you laughing at?
You brought this for me? Thank you. What am I supposed to do with it though? Oh, thank you so much for this gift. Thank you.
What are you doing?
Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
You got caught in 4K. Get the goddamn toilet before I whoop your. Hey, I'm not.
Can I help you? Can I help you? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi, Wonky. You can't get out? Yeah. What are you doing, chicken?
I'm posting.
Are you flipping me off?
Unfortunately, I
Is the SCARB Southern California Annual.
can't believe I have to go to this thing. But which way?
You don't like your jammies? Oh my god.
I love you. Hello. I love you.
I'm a cat person. This is my great cat. Love my cat.
But you don't like corn. No, Oxy, this is corn.
What airline? What's Spirit? Spirit Airline. Spirit Airline.
Huh?
Chai, when I say hey, you say hey. Hey!
Kermit. I love you. Oh.
你都给孩子眼睛治好了。你又犯病了，小九。对，咬他，团团咬他。
Thân có.
Ete une tache là. Pistache. Ete une tache là.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You guys need to stop.
Fortu.
You got it. Come on, Betty.
Still pull that lane forward.
Let me at him. Let me at him.
The president who set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining herds. Now,
Meow. Meow.
Consternation.
What's the difference between a joke and a big dick? You can't take a joke.
I like to be a peeping Tom, Ken. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
It's usually a cup of water, but now it's okay, Daddy.
Mikä tuossa?
It's a competition where skill and science must be perfectly Well, only one will prevail, claiming a $50,000 grand prize. So good.
This feels like $1 million idea.
This is Master Chef.
That was my age.
Yeah, that's fine. Just help yourself.
Nala. Nala. Chicken?
Are you part dog? Don't be mad at me. I haven't.
Salem.
What the fuck? I really don't know. Hey guys, I'm making cat stew tonight if anyone wants to come. I'm making cat stew tonight if anyone wants to come.
Raise your hand if you want garlic breadsticks. Raise your hand if you want buffalo chicken wings right now.
Can you let go? I need to go. Yes, I need to go. Let go. Please. Can you, Luna, I need to go. Okay? Luna, let go. Let's go.
Посмотри, что внутри теперь творится.
Это он разрушил себе дом. Вот зашел и нормально.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that? What's the matter?
Shut up, buddy. It is your friend.
Okey tamam. Avşin'e geçtik mi? 4 tempo startı Avşin front loot açtığı anda hem canını fullleyip hem de herkese one shot atmalı. Ve Yasuo
Crazy.
She's telling you to put her
Bayan rekam-rekam, huh? Oh, senang aku direkam-rekam. Buat naikin viewers, followers, rekam aku terus. Kedapat cuan juga aku ya.
I broke my arm and my cat will not stop purring and laying on my chest. Can I have those back, please? Ouch!
He just wants to sit with you. Let him sit with you.
They say we've got the same hair. We still can meet on the corn. The industry.